Do collagen supplements make you look younger? Let's talk about it today. If you take collagen supplements, please comment below with the supplement you are taking. I'm really curious to know. What is collagen? Collagen is a hard, insoluble protein found in muscles, bones, tendons, skin, nails, blood vessels, and the digestive tract. Collagen is a primary structural protein in the body, essentially acting like the glue that holds us together. It has several roles in the body, including providing elasticity and strength to our skin, repairing and replacing skin cells, and maintaining the health of joints, bones, ligaments, tendons, hair, skin, and nails. Very important, right? With the age, the collagen production in our bodies decreases. Supplementation with collagen is very helpful for improved skin, elasticity, and hydration. It also improves brittle nails, improves the health of blood vessels, and the digestive tract. It helps with joint pain as well. Sounds like a must-have, right? Collagen supplements come from animal sources, so if you're a vegetarian or vegan, you need to be aware. What is the best natural food that contains collagen? Bone broth. You can either make your own or buy. I buy it prepared because even though it's very easy to make, it's a very time-consuming process. And I will tell you how. I will not show you how because I will never do it. So in a large stock pot, simmer your bones, and you can have chicken, beef, turkey, or fish bones covered over low heat for 48 hours. This will extract the most collagen and nutrients from the bones. You can also do this in a slow cooker if you don't want to use a stovetop. Once the broth has finished cooking, transfer to glass jars or containers. Let it cool and refrigerate or freeze. As the broth cools, you will notice a layer of gelatin forming. This is a good sign, as the gelatin layer is the main source of collagen in bones. So be sure to keep it, don't throw it away. Although not necessary, roasting your bones before simmering can improve the flavor of the broth. Since toxins are stored in fat and bone broth contains a lot of it, quality of your bones is a key. So look for bones from organic, sustainable, grass-fed, pasture-raised, and or free-range sources. You can add various vegetables, herbs, and spices to your broth for more flavor and nutrients. This is a great way to use up vegetable scraps that you have, like onions, peels, and carrot tops that you will throw away normally. Some other examples of additions include celery, garlic, ginger, rosemary, but feel free to experiment. You can also add 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to your pot to give it a slightly acidic taste if that's your taste palette. So if you're vegetarian or vegan, you can promote natural collagen production by eating certain food sources. So of course, if we eat things like egg whites, meat, cheese, fish, you will get collagen production. But as a vegetarian or vegan, you should eat spinach, kale, cabbage, cauliflower, pumpkin, banana, citrus fruit, kiwi, strawberries, bell peppers, herbs and spices, and that will help natural production of collagen in your body. There are other sources, there are lots of it. I'm not going to list them all here, but I'll create a list in the description for you to see. But there are also a variety of supplements on the market you can take. I personally take Pure Encapsulations. Pretty much all my vitamins come from Pure Encapsulation. I really like this brand. I don't make money on it, but it's my favorite. That's why I talk about it. You can buy it on Amazon. Another way to introduce collagen is through your moisturizer. So one such cream that I personally use is Dr. Babor's Lifting RX Collagen Cream. They also have a collagen cream with EGF, which I also use, and that visibly reduces fine lines and wrinkles. And you can purchase these creams online, and I will provide the link, or in any of the Woodhouse Day Spas. And currently, if you go online, I think you can get 15% off. The contact for the Woodhouse Day Spas is also in the description. For more information on skin health, please watch this video next.